Have you ever looked at the world around you and thought, wow, there's so much more to see if I look at things from a different angle? Well, today, we're going to take a closer look at something that's around us all the time shapes, more specifically, quadrilaterals, and one special family member of that group, the parallelogram. But first, what's a quadrilateral? It's just a fancy word for any shapes with four sides. Yeah, that's it. Four sides, four corners, and they can look like anything a square, a rectangle, a rhombus, or even a trapezoid. But today, we're zooming in on a special type of quadrilateral, the parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral where opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. Sounds simple, right? But there's more magic hidden in the shape. Let's break it down. Now, a parallelogram has four key properties. First, opposite sides are parallel. Second, opposite sides are equal in length. Third, opposite angles are equal. And fourth, the diagonals bisect each other, which means they cut each other in half right at the center. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. Some parallelograms are extra special. We have three unique types of parallelograms. First, the rectangle. All angles are 90 degrees, and the diagonals are equal in length. The second is the rhombus. All sides are equal, and the diagonals also bisect the angles. And the last one is the square, the ultimate superhero. It's a rectangle and a rhombus rolled into one, with all sides equal and all angles at 90 degrees. Isn't that awesome? A square is basically the best of both worlds. But remember, every square is a rectangle, and every square is a rhombus. But not all rectangles or rhombus are squares. So to sum it up, if you're ever looking at a quadrilateral and wondering if it's a parallelogram, ask yourself, are the opposite sides parallel? Are the opposite sides equal in length? And if yes, you've got yourself a parallelogram. Yay! Add in some special properties like 90-degree angles or equal diagonals, and you've got rectangles, rhombuses, or squares. It's funny how something as simple as a four-sided shape can have so much to tell us, right? The world of geometry is full of stories waiting to be uncovered. So the next time you see a parallelogram, whether it's a window, a building, or even a piece of art, remember, you're looking at a shape with a whole lot of history and magic packed into one. That's it for today's quick geometry lesson. Hopefully, I've made quadrilaterals and parallelograms a little less mysterious and a lot more fun. If you learned something today, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool math content. Catch you in the next one. Bye!